these are all the weird noises that my friend Seth can make.
What? Please, Jack, you gotta let me go. Patty cake, patty cake. Wait, I already did that one.
The tongue thing. The tongue thing. No, Seth. Like. Cross-eye. Go cross-eyed. Cross one eye.
Did I do it?
Do it again. Yeah.
Okay.
Now wiggle your eyes.
I
didn't see you wiggle your eyes.
It looks like I am, right?
Try to wiggle them more.
It's hurt my eyes. I'm tearing. I'm crying.
Try again.
Yeah. Okay. The camera can't see it. Nobody can see it.
Don't get close to the camera. Just.
Can you see it? This is strange. Why am I doing this?
Just go like.
Popsicle. Okay. Wait, is it doing it? It's like his camera's going like. It's going like.
And those were all the noises that my friend Seth can make.
Isn't that strange?